Me I'm Yardie belly, me I'm the chef in the place. We run the kitchen, me a set the place on the jam to be active. Me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly, I mean him come check the radio station. Tuning at the vibes, village of creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Why am I seeing two different pans with turkey? What's going on here?
Because we don't, it don't make no sense we do one big old turkey this Thanksgiving. Me I cut them up and do different things with them. So these are the in the back and the leg and the, the back and the neck and the something. And then these are the thigh and the breast and the legs and the wings. So we're gonna do different things with them. You understand?
So you're gonna curry these or something?
I now tell you what me I gotta do, leave it alone.
Oh. All right, it's a surprise.
Yes, it's a surprise. I'm gonna do different things, but and then we don't have to eat it all at the same time. We can, nice.
Stay tuned. Yardie Belly Kitchen come with something different. All right, so the seasoning overload lineup is our seafood seasoning, curry powder, Lawry's seasoned salt, paprika, garlic powder, turmeric, onion powder, sumac, Cajun seasoning, and ground cumin.
And we're still not done yet.
What about ginger?
All of them they go on it.
All of them things. Oh, under the fresh category. This is the powdered category. You can imagine? Stay tuned. It's a nice. See to how you're pretty, so you're pretty plus tax.
So guys, I'm adding all my seasonings that you see we had put out on the counter. And this is going to be one of those crazy dish that I just thought of. And I thought of it because I'm just sick and tired of the, excessiveness of Thanksgiving. A lot of people cook much more than they need to. And of course, I was just not feeling it. As a person who cook quite often, I'm really, really not into the extra meat. So this is the day after. This is actually Thanksgiving Day now, and we're taking our marinated turkey to our oven pan, and we are just gonna be dredging it with we're greasing it with some oil, and we're putting down our pieces of turkey, guys. And this, as I said, is the back, a little bit of the breast, a little bit of each section, and we put them in the oven and we roast them off. Then I have some corn, and we have some potatoes, we have carrot, we have Brussels sprouts, and we have parsley, lemon, garlic, onion, and all of this is gonna be added to our roasted chicken. After roasting for about 20 to 30 minutes, we check for doneness. Once the turkey has reached to a certain level, we want to cut up our vegetables and some lemon, and we're gonna be setting up for a turkey boil. Yes, guys, playing on the original seafood or crab boil idea, I decided to use turkey. So we have some country sausage as well that I decided to cut up and add to our turkey boil. Yes, guys, turkey boil. Can you believe it? So here we are. We're just adding our sausages now to the turkey that has been somewhat cooked, almost finished cooking, baking in the oven. And we just adding some sausage, guys. We're also gonna be adding all the rest of the ingredients. That is our potatoes and our corn. Guys, I can't tell you how good the house smells so far. Smell really good. Yes, with potatoes and with corn is down. And guys, at first the wifey was like, turkey boil? You mean you're gonna boil the turkey? And I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna play on words. This is gonna be a one-pot meal, guys. And this is a great idea if you have company. And if you really and truly don't want to go through the, having to carve a turkey and then put on carcasses all over the house in a fridge and then all of that. I didn't want to go through that. I wanted something simple, somewhat healthier than the rice and the extra things, and so this works for me. Look at this, guys. Tell me say it no look good. Tell me say the idea no really nice too. A great way to do a one-pot meal, guys. Once we have added all our vegetables down, We want to add our onions and whatever other seasonings you want to use. Again, I'm going for a seafoody type of seasoning, a type of vibe, and so this is why I'm adding the ingredients that I'm adding. Then I have some garlic that I'm adding now, and you just want to add your garlic, and if you have scallions cut, you can add your scallions as well. Guys, I promise you, a new idea, but it is well worth the effort. A great way to use up your turkey, different from the regular. I have some coconut milk that I'm reconstituting, and I'm just gonna add the coconut milk to it. Yes. And I promise you, it works, guys. You would not believe it, but it works, right? So once you add your 1 cup of coconut milk, you want to also add maybe half a cup of water or soup stock if you have soup stock. That also helps. Then you just want to add a little bit more seasoning. I'm using some chicken seasoning here over your potatoes and your vegetables just to get them a little bit of vibe as well. All right. I'm also adding a couple stick of butter. I'm adding thyme and, you know, the regular things, guys. So I want to say happy Thanksgiving to all our subscribers, all the folks who watch us on a regular basis, on a weekly basis. We do appreciate you all. And so we pray that it is all well in your home. And we are thankful to you for making Yardie Belly TV one of your entertainment spots. All right. So our turkey boil is ready now to go into the oven, guys. We're going to put this back into the oven for maybe another 30 minutes, if that long. Again, keep it low and slow, and cover it with foil this time, and make sure that it stays in the oven. Once it is out of the oven, this is what it looks like, guys. Look at that. So now I'm just taking a spatula and just, you know, making sure that everything gets nicely incorporated. That coconut milk is forming a nice gravy on the bottom of the pan. And I promise you, the bottom of the pan. And I promise you guys, it is delicious smelling. We're going to sample some of it and try to make sure it adjusts the seasonings. But yeah, think about the concept of a turkey boil instead of a seafood boil or a crab boil. Why not try this in your neck of the woods? I promise you, it really works. It really does. And with that little curry vibe going, yeah, super, super, super delicious. So after putting it back in the oven for another 10 or so minutes, this is the final analysis. Guys, everything is totally blended in, amalgamated. The flavors are nice. The gravy come down and it just rich and nice. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add some little finishing touches. Yes, guys, finishing touches to my turkey boil. All right, the meat is nice and soft and it is juicy, not dry out none at all. You understand? Now the wifey is making sure to add the finishing touch. We're making our eggs. Yes, guys, we're putting eggs in it. Not no seafood boil, not turkey boil. It have to have a couple eggs. Yeah, so we just quickly boil some eggs, and then we're gonna add our eggs to the boil, guys. Oh my God. This was a great idea. This was a great idea, guys. Especially if you have company. It works. You understand? So there you have it. We're just finishing up with some parsley, and then we're gonna serve. Of course, you know Joshua say more rice. So the wife says she's gonna make some rice for Joshua, because boy spoil. Boy, I want rice. This is good enough for me. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna grab me a little plate and ease off. And then no problem. Put in some lemon slices down to give that little, you know, seafoody type of vibe. Nonetheless, that lemony pepper type of vibe. And guys, I promise you it worked. Can I convince you to try this in your neck of the woods? If you have not yet finished your turkey, try this. Yeah, man. Cut it up, bake it, and then add the elements, and you'll be surprised to know how you get this beautiful, flavorful meal out of your turkey that is quite unexpected. Yes, and unusual. It does work, guys. This can feed your entire family, and you still have the legs, you still have the breasts and other parts, you know, back in to use again at another time. From my house to yours, happy Thanksgiving. This is the final plate. This is Joshua's plate. And we definitely look forward to seeing you. Remember, we go live on a Thursday at around 5 p.m. So remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie TV is out here. And this is how we do it. This one was a winner. I totally enjoyed this one. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Big up on yourself. Have y'all self a great Thanksgiving and happy holidays. All right? Drink a glass of wine, eat my little turkey boil, and live my life. Yeah, Mama used to say, live your life, young man. And Mama used to say, don't you rush to get old. And Mama used to say, live your life. Big up for yourself, manners and respect.